Okay, in this video, we're going to see how to solve problems involving angles and circles when the vertex is outside the circle. So if you look at each of these, they're all on the outside here. And we have a combination of secants and tangents, right? So here we have a secant and a tangent. Here we have two tangents. Here we have two secants. But they actually all require the same formula, and I'm going to give you an unofficial formula first just to help you remember it, and then we'll show you how it applies to each of these situations. So our general formula is that the angle measure equals the big arc minus the small arc. So let's take a look at that, and I'm going to color code these in here. So if I look at this first one on the left, the big arc that's being intercepted by the angle is from here to here, and then the smaller arc is from here to here. On this one, our bigger arc is from here all the way to there. Smaller, from there to there. Big. And small. Okay, so let's write this out then. So for each of these, we're looking for the measure of an angle. So for this first one on the left here, I would have, oh, I forgot something in my formula. We're going to multiply all this by 1/2 and put that in the front or in the back, or just divide by 2. But there we go. Okay. So let's start by put the 1/2 in here. And now what is the big arc and the small arc called for this one right here? So we would be talking about the measure of BC, arc BC, minus the measure of arc AC. Would be the formula we would use for this first one. But if you just remember that it's big arc minus small arc, you can use it for all these different situations. So for this next one, we're going to take the measure of PQR and subtract the measure of PR. And then for the last one, we would do the measure of arc XY minus the measure, oops, what am I writing here? WZ. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just make sure you're plugging in the correct number for the right part. And sometimes you'll be actually given the angle and you'll have to find one of the arcs. Or you'll be given part of your circle and you'll have to find another part of the circle. But you have all the information to figure out, so just try to problem solve your way through the problems and make sure you ask questions when you need help. Thanks for watching.